What's the meaning of cretin? Cretin. Cretin.
Cretin. Cretin. The term cretin is a derogatory word used to describe a person who was mentally deficient, due to a lack of thyroid hormone during fetal or early childhood development. People with this condition have physical and mental disabilities, including stunted growth, delayed development, poor muscle tone, and intellectual disability. In the past, this condition was endemic in certain areas where iodine was scarce. However, in modern times, it can be prevented and treated with iodized salt. The use of the word cretin is considered offensive and insensitive, as it perpetuates negative stereotypes towards people with disabilities.